going to be knocking on every single door. We're going to begin by targeting those parts of the community where fires happen most often. We're going to specifically target some of the barriers that we've recognized from our past efforts, like cultural differences, like language barriers, and we're going to not give up. The other thing that we're not going to do this time is, in the past, when we've encountered the vulnerable in our community, we've simply provided them a smoke alarm. This time, we're going to install it.